Please follow the cleaning instructions to clean your device after each use. Before cleaning, make sure the nebulizer is turned off before disassembly. Pull out the nebulizer kit from the main unit, then pull out the mouthpiece mask from the nebulizer kit. Turn counterclockwise, and depart the cap with spray nozzle from the medicine cup. Detach the spray nozzle from the cap. Rinse the mouthpiece, medicine cup, spray nozzle and cap thoroughly with running water at least 10 seconds. Especially for the spray nozzle, make sure to flush the opening to clean out the residue. Never clean out the clog in the gap with sharp objects. If the spray nozzle, mouthpiece, cap and medicine cup are still in severe obstruction or dirty, immerse them in water for at least 15 minutes first, and then rinse them with running water for at least 10 seconds again. Shake off excess water and let them air dry. Wipe the mask, air hose, and the outer casing of the main unit with a clean cloth. Never immerse the mask, air hose and the main unit in the water.